Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the market here. I'm going to go over the S&P 500. I'm going to go over some specific levels here that I really think that you need to pay attention to coming up here for this week ahead because we made a really key move to end the week last week. It's really going to be important that you watch this video and you pay attention and that you take some notes. Before we get into this video here, guys, what I want you guys to do is visit us here on the home page of the website and just get to know us better. We really want to get to know you better. And when you get to know us better, you're going to see everything that you get when you sign up today and join the premium membership community. The other cool part is that when you visit us here on the home page, thetradinganalyst.com, what you're going to do is you're going to see what other people are saying about the membership. These are real traders, real people who are inside the membership getting results just like you want to be getting. So it's a good idea to get perspective other than my own because, of course, I think that I have the best service out there. And I really, truly believe that, guys, because our members are happy, they're making money, and they're happy enough to leave us these glowing testimonials and reviews. And the other cool part, guys, is when you sign up and join today, you're getting instant access to the same profitable trading alerts that these guys are talking about in their reviews and their testimonials. So if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market and you're sick and tired of feeling kind of lost and you're drowning in all this information that's out there, well, you can stop doing that. You can say goodbye to that when you sign up and join the premium membership because you're getting instant access to these real-time trade alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone in real time, and you're going to be able to trade from anywhere, so you can say goodbye to missing out on trading opportunities because we've got you covered. We've got you covered on your charts, your analysis, and your trades. You don't have to do any of that. So we're saving you time, and you're going to make money in the process too, which is the most important part. So that's really what I want to tell you guys. So at the end of this video, sign up and join the premium membership community. So what do you say we get into these charts? All right, so I'm pointing out a big level here on the S&P 500, okay? This is a huge level, and that is right about here. Okay, about 2790, okay, 2790. Why is this a key level? It's a key level because you can see we pointed out this resistance there, right there. We hit it again here, and then again right here. We kind of struggled with it one time on Wednesday. We kind of broke back under it, but right here we firmed up and we closed near the highs of the week. Last week over this resistance, okay? We closed over this resistance. So we don't really have much resistance, and we have a mini resistance right here at about 2820, and that's based off of just a few days right there. So again, not a huge resistance. We've got a gap up here to fill at about 2850, which I do think is going to fill. And then we've got these previous all-time highs made in the market up here, and that's at about 2870. Okay, about 2870 is that level you want to be looking at to get hit. So those are the main levels here. Again, these are just mini levels. Okay, mini resistance there based off of a few days. This had resistance here, right here. All right, and we broke over that. This is just a couple of days right here. So that would just be like as if that was hit. Okay, so not a huge deal. And overall, I am bullish on the market. I think we are going to head higher. I have been bullish for a long time, and it's just really working out in our favor. Again, we're willing to change our bias and our opinion when the price kind of shows us its hand in the other direction. But right now, we're making higher highs and higher lows. You can see, I'm going to move my face over here. So you can see we've got a low here. We've got a higher low here. We've got another higher low here. Higher low, another higher low. Okay, we're in an uptrend. Okay, you got to keep it simple here, guys. Really simple. Okay, I'm going to draw this little uptrend here. You can draw right here. There you go. Okay, really simple stuff, guys, okay? You see that hit there, and you see how it bounced right there, and right here, and right here, and then again right here. So if we do experience some kind of turbulence in the market, that uptrend line is going to be a really nice bounce zone, okay? Really, really nice bounce zone. So you got to pay attention to these main levels. We've got this trend line support. We've got this previous resistance that got hit those few times here, and we broke over it there. Now this level is a level of support. So if we get an early dip next week, so tomorrow or the next day, that should be a buying opportunity. Okay, that should be a buying opportunity. The other thing that I want to focus on too is I'm going to kind of zoom in to the recent action. This is midweek last week. Okay, this is midweek last week. I'm focusing on this action here. This is Tuesday, and this is Wednesday of last week. So what I want to point out is here was that resistance right here, okay, and you see that we broke over it right here, but then look at this, boom, right here, we broke back under it, and this is a 3-day reversal pattern here, okay? That was a reversal pattern. This is one we focus on a lot in the service that works out a lot, especially on the bull side. But right here, so the reason I'm pointing this out to you is because we had this reversal signal here that could have led to a downside move. If it really wanted to, this was its chance to do so. But then we just negated that the very next day and closed over not only Wednesday's high, but over Tuesday's high as well with this action here. So it really had its chance to break down, guys, but it didn't. Okay, it didn't follow through. So I'm pointing that out because we're super bullish here on the market. And based off of those three things, that reversal pattern here that failed, that's the first thing. The other thing is the higher highs and higher lows. Here's the higher lows, and then we're making higher highs. Here's a high, high, high. We're making new highs right here. Excuse me. So we are in an uptrend. We're breaking over this resistance too. So that's the third thing, guys. I don't really see anything that's really telling me anything other than we're seeing bullishness in the market. So again, guys, support is at 27.90. First level of resistance, 28.20. I think that's going to get hit early next week, and then probably this gap is going to fill this coming up week 2, maybe the week after that, up here at about 28.50. All right, guys. So thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And I hope this video is going to help you out this week and make you guys some money. That's why we make these videos. And the other reason we make these videos here is to give you guys a sneak peek of what it's like to be a member at thetradinganalyst.com within the membership community. So if you're sick and tired of losing money in the market, don't worry, because we've all been there. And it's not your fault if you haven't been successful in the market up until this point. I really, really want to be honest with you guys. But I also want to be honest with you guys and say that it is going to be your fault if you don't actually do something about it and make a change to actually facilitate a new way of doing things. And this is your chance to do that. This is a new way to make money in the market for you, and it's going to put money in your pocket. These are real-time trade alerts, about 3 to 5 a week. Sometimes we do 10, sometimes we do 2. Just kind of depends on the market. And you're going to get these targeted gains of 50 to 100%. Our goal is $100,000 per year in profits. We really try to hit that for you guys. So go ahead, take this opportunity and sign up right now. And again, don't wait to sign up, because if you wait to sign up, you're going to miss out on the trade alerts that we have happening this week. So the longer you wait, the more money you're going to be missing out on. So take this opportunity and sign up right now here, guys, for the premium membership community. And I look forward to serving you and delivering you high quality, low risk trades.